Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the chroma key to remove background, okay, of an object in video or picture. Okay, so research has proven that there are two colors that can easily remove from a video or a picture, and that two color is green and blue color. They can be easily removed from a video. Okay, so I'm going to use the chroma key in different color of background. Okay, so we'll see the difference practically. Okay, so let's dive in. I'm going to use ucut to achieve this. You can use any editing app that has the feature of chroma key. Okay, so tap on ucut, then tap on the plus icon at the down, then tap on new project. Okay, so I'll pick a video. This is the video I want to pick. Okay, I want to use this video. Then I'll add an overlay. Okay, I'll add an overlay. To do that, you slide to this pip. Pip is the same thing as overlay. Pip means picture in picture, that is placing another picture or another element in on top of the main picture itself or video. Okay, the main clip. So tap on the pip, then I'll run over to photos. So I'm going to pick all this crown here. Okay, let me pick them one by one. So we'll do that at once. Okay, so this is the one of blue color, as you can see. So this one is the one of red. Then the last one which I will bring in is pink color. Okay, so let's start from the first one, which is the green color. Okay, so now to remove this green background. Okay, so the object will remain. Okay, so you have to do that. Tap on the overlay clip, which is this one on the top. Tap on it, then the corresponding tool will appear here. Okay, so this is the corresponding tool. If you check, the third option in the corresponding tool is where the chroma key is. Okay, so tap on the chroma. So this make sure that this ring white background is appear at the video or picture you want to remove. Once the thing appear, what you do next is to hold tap hold the circle, that is the round shape, hold it and drag it till it pick the color, which is green. Are you seeing it? So it has picked the green color. So what I'll do here is I'll increase the strength. I'll increase the strength to 50. Okay, to 50. This is it. So I'll now click on the check mark. Let me increase this to show you. Are you seeing it? This is how neat it is. The green background has been removed with chroma key. So easy. So let's see the blue background, which is this one. Okay, tap on the clip as we did the other one. Okay, so I'll increase this, then tap on the chroma, then use your finger to move this ring, this white ring here, move it to cover to pick the blue color. Okay, so I'll also increase this to 50. Okay, so are you seeing it? Let me increase it a bit. Are you seeing it? So after doing this, we are going to check the comparison. We are going to compare all of them to see the one that is actually the best. Okay, so tap on it, then you tap on the chroma key. Use your finger to slide so it can pick the color. Okay, to 50. stay still, I'm going to show you something here. So tap on it, then tap on the chroma key, slide so it can pick the color, then 252. Okay, so this is it. Let's compare everything. So you can see this first one, which is the green. Let me, are you seeing it? It's neat. It's neat. Okay, it's neat, although green shadow is still showing there. How to remove that green shadow? Go to the chroma again, then this shadow, increase the shadow to 50, or you can leave it to 100. Okay, depending on how you want it to be. Okay, so I'm leaving it at 60. You can see the green has faded. Let's increase this again a little bit. So do you see green is perfect? So let's see blue. Blue is also perfect. So the research that they did is true. Blue is perfect. So let's see red. You can see this red that we use here has removed some part in the crown. Check this blue. Let's check this blue. Do you see that this pink heart symbol is intact, but in this red, if you check it, you see that the heart has broken. It has removed some part of red. Do you know the reason? Because the background that we remove with the chroma is red. So this is what you do whenever you are editing and you want to remove the background of an object. Make sure that the object did not have the same color with the background. Okay, make sure it has a complete different color, opposite. Okay, if it's white, if the background is green, the object should be black or red. Okay, don't make the object color to be too close to the background color. Okay, it's going to remove the parts of the background color. So let's check the pink. The pink is also intact. The pink is also intact, but it's not smooth as this blue and red and blue and green. Okay, so you have seen it that the best color that is easy to remove is blue and green. As you can see in this video, you see the green so neat, the blue so neat, the red is not perfect because it removes some part of red in the crown, and you can see pink is not smooth like that. Okay, so this is the easiest way and how you can remove the background of an object, okay, with green background or blue. So thanks for watching. Kindly like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe and turn on the notification for more content tips like this. Okay, see you in the next video.